Yeah, that sounds awesome. Hi, my name is Nathan Risto. It's March 27th, 2017. I'm out driving my 2015 Subaru WRX Limited. I've had an issue with the brakes. Well, at least a noise that happens when you're braking. No one actually knows if it is the brakes. But I've had this noise now for like 10,000 miles for the past year. I've had it up to the dealership at 3 separate times to get them to fix the issue, or at least identify the issue. And every single time they go for the easy find of saying, oh, it's rocks or rust or dirt or something like that. And I'm pretty sure it's none of those things, just judging by the noise. So today, I just got back from them fixing it. The very same day they said it's fixed and they solved the problem. They blamed it on my other wheels, so now I'm on my stock wheels that came with the car. So I'm going to go ahead and brake here so you can hear the noise. They won't hear it till we get to slower speeds. That's the noise, the one they said they fixed. Said they can't reproduce. It took me all of 1 or 2 tries to reproduce it, to say, hey, nothing's actually fixed. Every time I have to go up there, they're an hour and a half away. They're there's no close Subaru dealerships nearby. So that's what I'm forced to deal with in terms of working with the dealership. So every time I go, it's a 3-hour trip. And if I have to go drop the car off and come back, now we're talking 6 hours. So, I either have to give up a day of work, a couple days of work, all so they can not find the issue. I've gotten Subaru, the company, involved. I've contacted them to express my disappointment. So yeah, that's where I'm at right here. Let's go ahead and try to make the noise again. Yep, fairly reproducible. Try again. This is my first brand new car. I've never owned a brand new car before. I've had plenty of used vehicles. Some of them with some pretty high mileage. Some of them that I've even did the brakes myself. I've never had a vehicle make a noise like this. If you look at my dash there, you can see my current mileage is 37,648. So I would not consider this to be a high mileage vehicle. It hasn't gone under any like high stress situations. I mostly drive it on pavement. A little bit of gravel I have to drive it on, and I typically drive it at 5 miles an hour or less, which is ridiculously slow, but completely true. I do actually drive it that slow. I'm trying to keep the dust out of the door jambs. So, anyways, just wanted to document the issue I'm having for posterity's sake, so that they don't say I'm making it up or trying to, who knows what they're thinking. But they've already basically expressed their disbelief that I'm being truthful the last time I called them, which is awesome. Oh, this is also after dropping $1,000 in tires today too. I needed new tires, so I'm continuing to do business with them. Not for that one issue, I really like the car. It's going to be hard to consider buying a second one though. If this issue is completely unresolvable, which I don't understand how it could be. But, you know, I won't be trading up for any newer WRX or STI models if this is how it goes. I was absolutely certain for my wife's vehicle, I was buying her a Forester. That's not going to happen anymore. So, anyways, just wanted to let you know about my Subaru WRX 2015 model, first year that they went with this newer style. Thanks for watching.